All right, good morning, everybody. We are currently in Plug on a little mini ABCD VWAP rejection, moving average rejection, whatever we want to call it today. This is a really nice setup. I'm going to go ahead and clear the stop loss out because we just got our fill. And we got half of our shares out right here. So what we're looking at this morning, we opened up really weak. Volume was really light today. But you can see that we have a lot of volume at this price here. So once we came down, we came back up, we tested, we kind of chopped a little bit. Once we couldn't break this level right here after coming up, testing and rejecting multiple times on the 9, we then came up, we tested everything, we closed below. That's when I took it short. I did do a full position here. I covered at 3 levels. This one was a little frustrating. I got a little nervous for a second because I missed the fill right here by 1 penny. I had it at 43.80. 43.81 was the low. We went up and almost tested it, came all the way back up. I thought we were maybe going to get this pop that we're getting right now. It did sell off. We got our fill. We're down to our last quarter of our position. We're up about 2R right now on a 1R risk position, which is nice. I like that. Let's go ahead. We're going to see what happens here. Looks like we just tested our VWAP again. We'll see if we can't keep going down. I'm a little nervous. Our volume is terrible on Plug this morning. The whole market, the volume is a bit rough. So it's a bit frustrating to try and trade in this market. I'm just taking it nice and slow and easy, being a little patient, kind of waiting for my A+ setups. You know, I got in this one because I was so close. I could set my stop at the top of this wick. I mean, this is not a massive move. I mean, we're talking less than basically 60 cents move right here from entry to our first level, or our last level, and that's, you know, we're at almost 2R right here because we were able to set our risk so tight. Which on days like this, when volume's a little weird, stocks are a little weird, if you can get a really nice entry like this with a, you know, a little bit wider stop loss, but still, you know, tight relatively speaking to what I've been doing recently, that provides us a lot of really nice upside potential. The other trade that we took this morning, we just got stopped out. We did have another hotkey error, a little frustrating. We took CCIV on the opening pop here. Went long. We did a quick cover here. I got a little nervous at this point, so I covered a little bit more. I covered more at 32.20. We covered here, and then I got, well, I was supposed to get stopped out here, but instead of stopping out, somehow I put the order in backwards again. This tends to be a mistake I keep making when I have both an open and a long position going, which is kind of silly for me to be making those mistakes. As you can see, we had 10 shares left, so really it wasn't that huge of a deal. We bought 10 more. I doubled the position, so instead of stopping out 10 shares, I bought 10 more shares. So I just sold it right here. Small little loss on that, but in the scheme of things, not terrible. I think we were up, let's see here. Yeah, we were up just over 1R on that trade, and that brought us down to just under 1R. So a little disappointing in that sense, but yeah, here we go. We got a nice sell-off going on Plug here. Gonna go ahead, cover 25% of our position. I like that 43.60 level. We don't have it necessarily marked on anything, but if you look up here on our daily, we have our 200 at 42.90. So I'm just kind of slowly taking partials like every 20 cents or so as we start to get down here. I want to be out completely probably at the 43 level. So we currently have 45 shares left. I'll put an order in at 43.05 for pretty much all of my shares. I'll get 25 out there, and we'll throw that up. We'll see if we can't hit that level. At that point, we'll just kind of see where we're at. We're already exactly 2R locked in, plus our unrealized with our remaining shares. All right, everyone, have a good morning.